Number 7. Chronic Claw, ice arrest. Chronic Claw, we never put up that on YouTube or anything.
Just book a girl from Brooklyn.
Chronic Claw, the law boss, the gunman DJ at 2 part at number 7 too. I got tell you in another part to it. Chronic Claw, me just book a girl from Brooklyn, such thing. Good body, good skin. Are the first set of lines that I'm true. Him say, New York girls them, him don't know them like me. Me breed one of New York. Me breed more than one of New York, but I one carry the belly. No, so you must know I know New York. And I know ice way before Chronic Claw know them. And here I also know before some of them gunman here. Gunman thing, and what you want that word to gunman, them wrap right up with the whole Trump situation. Gunman Skank is a tune, a song named Gunman Skank.
Day One Link Records.
Yo! You don't like the real gunman, them want dance and can't dance. Hard gunman!
Rokumpeng, say yes no man. Gunman skank, everybody do the gunman skank.
Me hear it on Zip FM one night. You hear the name of the song though, Gunman Skank. And you hear me just a record on one Kevin and one way police them do with the gunman them. I just telling you, hear me dancer friend them. Don't bother do no gunman skank because the gunman thing not ending out well at Jamaica. That is my word and that new dance, newish dance named Gunman Skank. Big up yourself, Chronic Claw. You're gonna be skanking in ice custody right now. You're gunman self.
Jamaica, cause I am a money maker.